Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to remove the primary clutch on a Rev Gen 4 chassis. And also I just want to thank all our subscribers and viewers, because we just hit 2,000 subscribers and we'll be doing a giveaway of a license plate stickers for a snowmobile. So go check out in the description, the details for the giveaway is going to be right there. And so enjoy this video. So I'll show you guys how to take this off. You're going to want to remove your belt. First thing you're going to want to do . Okay, so once your belt is out, you can open your little gate on the side here that they made, okay? So you can put your socket in. So there's a cotter pin right here. You don't want to remove that. Open your gate, just flips out right like that. Put your pin back in so you don't lose it. Put that there. You're gonna need a 13/16 socket, 12 point. Okay, you're gonna want to remove your clutch now. Alright guys, so I do not have a clutch puller. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be putting some water in the hole here. And then we're going to be putting Teflon on the end of our clutch bolt. What it should do should cause pressure and pop the clutch right out. Be sure to put enough. Alright, so that's done. Put some water in there. Funnel. Alright, so there's water in there now. There you go. So it just popped out. Unwinding your clutch, or your clutch bolt, sorry. Now I can pull my clutch out. Make sure you're holding it. Don't drop it, whatever you do. Just shimmy it out here. Alright, here you have it. So with the camera, we couldn't really see what we're doing, so you guys can see, so I'll be showing you guys exactly what I did. I took my water bottle, put some water down the hole, it filled up. Once that was complete, put Teflon on my bolt, slide it down about until it hits the threads, and then you can use your impact, just like that, and then the clutch popped off. And then we could remove it. Alright guys, so the reason why I removed my clutch, because look, my belt blew and it busted a hole in the bottom here. So what we'll be doing is I'll just be cleaning everything first, and then I'll be bending this back here, and I'll be putting new parts. Alright, thanks for watching our video on how to remove the P-Drive clutch. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.